Hi guys, this is Sadak from Dotwin.com. In this video, we'll show you how to use the quick share from Pixel 9 with Apple's AirDrop. So as of now, the steps shown here will work on all the Pixel 10 series and all the Pixel 9 series. For the sake of reference, I'm using a Pixel 9 Pro XL, but steps are valid for all the Pixel 9 series phone. So for now, the Pixel 8, 7 and 6 will not work. As and when that will happen, I will update my article. So for now, only the Pixel 9 and 10 series will work. So I'm using the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So with that in mind, let's get started. First and foremost, onto your phone, go to the settings menu. From there, go to system, software update, Google Play system update, and please verify there is no pending update. If there is any update, please install the update. And after that, please do a restart. In my case, you could see my phone is up to date, even though the update is for the month of November only last year, but it's up to date. So that is all fine. Once that is done, go back on your phone, again go back, then tap on your name at the top, then go to all services, scroll down and choose system services. From there, tap on join the beta. You could see currently I'm in the beta build, so please join the beta update, is very important. Once that is done, scroll down and you will see the quick share extension. Tap on it and tap on update and verify you are on the latest build. You could see currently there is no pending update in my case on Play Store. In some cases, it might happen that the quick share is not shown in the list. If that is the case with your phone as well, no issue whatsoever. You just have to open this link from here, get the quick share extension from the APK mirror side. Over here, let me show you. Get the latest build. But as of now, you could see the build is in the APK-M format, not the APK format. So you have to install this using a third-party app, which is known as SAI installer. So first off, install the SAI installer from Play Store. Once you've installed this app, you could then install the quick share extension APK-M file easily. Let me show you how. So first off, install the SAI installer, then launch it. After that, tap on select file, system file picker, tap on OK. Then choose the quick share extension APK-M file, tap on install. It will be installed. Once that is done, please do a restart. It is a must. Once you've done the restart, go to settings, tap on your name, all services, then system services, and now it should be shown here. You could see quick share is not shown here and there's no pending update. Once you have done so, we have checkmarked very important requirement. So when that is done, let's now try it out. So first off, I'll try to share a file from my phone over to my Mac. Let me show you how that could be done. So verify that, go to your over here control center, and AirDrop should be set to everyone, as you could see in my case. If that's fine, so let's now try to send a file onto my phone. Let's send, let's say, this file. Tap on share, choose quick share, and the Mac should now be shown here in just a moment. You could see iMac. Tap on it. You will get a prompt on your Mac. Click on accept. Let's say save to downloads. And you could see the file is now being sent, and we have got the file onto our Mac. This is the file which we have just received from our Pixel. And now let's try to do the reverse. Let's try to send a file from the Mac over to my Pixel. So for that, first and foremost, on your Pixel, long press on the quick share and please change who can share with you to everyone for 10 minutes. Once that is done, now let's try to share a file with our Pixel phone. So right click on the required file, choose share and choose AirDrop, and your phone should now be shown here, the Pixel 9 Pro XL in my case. You could see, choose your phone, you'll get a prompt, click on accept, and you could see we have got the file from iMac. Tap on open, and this is the file which we have just received over here. So we have just got the file. You may also open the file from here by tapping on view downloads, and all the quick share items are over here which we have just got from the iMac. So guys, that's just about it. The only thing to keep in mind is that you have to install the quick share extension from the APK mirror side, and please update that as well. And there should not be any pending update from the Google Play system update. Once you have done so, and you've also joined the beta update from the system service, please do a restart, and that is it. Just 3 things are required. Install the pending update from Google Play system update. Once that is done, join the beta update, and then update the quick share extension from the APK mirror side. And that is just about it. Do a restart, and then you could easily do a file transfer from your Pixel to your Mac, in which case change the AirDrop to everyone. And if you're doing a transfer from your Mac to your Pixel, then change the quick share to everyone for 10 minutes over here, as you could see. And that is just about it. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video.